This is the insect whose female starts eating by biting off the male's head during mating. And the scariest part is that even after its head is cut off, the male doesn't stop mating. Even without a head, it finishes the job. This is the praying mantis. But why does the female do this? So let's find out the secret of nature's most terrifying marriage. In fact, the female mantis is many times larger and stronger than the male. When it's time to mate, the male has to risk his life and approach the female. He slowly, stealthily comes up from behind so the female doesn't mistake him for prey. But many times, the female catches him and straightaway bites off his head. Even then, the male's body continues mating because there are nerve centers in his abdomen that work even without the brain. Scientists call this headless horseman, but why does she do this? Research shows that when the female eats the male, 17% more of his body nutrients go straight to her eggs. In other words, his body becomes food for her offspring. The female lays up to 100 eggs at a time. During mating season, 63% of the female's diet is male mantises. But this doesn't happen every time. It occurs in only 20 to 30% of matings, especially when the female is hungry. And one shocking thing is, the male, a mantis isn't dumb. He watches the female from a distance and figures out if she's hungry. If she's thin, he moves in even more slowly and stops farther away. Sometimes he even wrestles her. The male that wins gets to mate, and the one that loses becomes food. In other words, in nature this isn't a marriage, it's a deal. The female needs nourishment for the babies, and the male wants to pass on his genes, even if the price is his life.